All right, the next tip is to run your reports regularly. This also scares people because sometimes there's terms on the reports that you just don't even know what they are or you're not sure what to look for. But my advice to you is just start looking at the reports and seeing, well, what are my questions? What things might not make sense? What things look like they're off? So, for instance, okay, and I'm going to say this too, your profit and loss report, people refer to that as an income statement, a P&L, a profit and loss. All of those are the same thing. It's just a report that shows all of your income and all of your expenses and the net of that. In general, this is grossly simplified, but in general, the net is what you're going to pay taxes on. I had a client that was paying estimated taxes only on her gross income without the expenses. So she got a nice refund, but she didn't need to be paying that much in taxes. So you're in general paying, plus or minus some other deductions on your net income. But see if you can spot some trends and patterns or things that just might not, maybe things that look like you've categorized them inconsistently. Let's say every single month you pay rent if you're a therapy practice, and all of a sudden 1 month there's no amount in the rent box, or for that month there's no amount in the rent category. Well, you either categorize incorrectly, you missed a payment, something like that. So running a report monthly or month to month will help you catch some of those types of errors. You can also ask yourself, do any of these look high or low, like they might have been inconsistent or inaccurate? And then you can kind of take it a step further once you're fairly confident in the accuracy of, okay, well, what is this telling me? Like we had kind of said about the different income types and packages, you can see which ones are selling the most, which ones are selling the least. Can you see a seasonal pattern? Are there some other things you can anticipate? I actually had one client do this, and she was looking through her expenses and she found a subscription that she forgot she had signed up for, and she was able to cancel it and save $100 every month because she realized I signed up for that months ago and I'm not using it. So all of those types of things you can start to see, and really also highlight any questions that you might have of, I don't understand why this item isn't here. I don't understand what this word means. Like, why is this placed in a particular spot? Especially on the balance sheet, I think that's where a lot of business owners feel like there's a lot of words that don't make sense. And so just start to highlight those and you'll see some of the questions that you might be able to get some support and help with. But also you'll be able to see trends and be able to see and track your progress and be able to celebrate wins. All of those things can be done when you actually look at the reports.